I'm Debbie from Icing Images, and I'm here to share with you one of our products that we are thankful for. It is the Flexfrost edible fabric sheet, the one that is distributed by Icing Images. And let me tell you what it does. First of all, it comes sheeted. Let me show you this. And it comes in a variety of colors, including the original white, pearl, bronze, gold, rose gold, silver. This is what it can do. First of all, as I said, it was sheeted. You can print on it to create an edible fabric. Look what happens when I peel it. Awesome. This is printed on the bronze. This is printed on our pearl, and it is using one of our eye designs, and it's kind of really cool. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Look at the depth of that. I love it. But it acts just like fabric, which is really amazing. You can drape it, tie it in a bow, etc. This is one that was printed on the gold sheet. It actually shows you some of the image color on the back, which is great. All right, so getting back to what it does, this is what's cool. You take the sheet, you peel it back. Look, I'm mixing and measuring, and I'm going to create my own edible lace. It's instant. There's my measuring. There's my mixing. I'm just dipping it. This is just room temperature water. I'm laying it on the mat, and it's going to melt in. Once it melts in, I'm going to scrape it in really well, getting every one of those little divots. And when I do, it's going to then set. And once it sets, you're going to have an edible lace. It's pretty amazing, folks. And this is what I'm thankful for. For special deals, look below. Happy Thanksgiving. One more thing, just want to let you know that Icing Images distributes the Flexfrost edible fabric sheet, and we're the only distributor that has the Icing Images vanilla flavored in these sheets to make it taste yummy. After all, you work so hard to make a great tasting cake. You want people to enjoy what you accessorize it with. So make sure it has the Icing Images logo on it, and you will get the great vanilla taste. Have a great day.